Next question is, what is banking structure in India? In India, we have Reserve Bank of India as the central bank of our country. Central bank of is the central bank of our country is Reserve Bank. That means Reserve Bank is the bankers to bank, bankers to government. It is a note issuing authority and also foreign exchange control, and they are the authority controlling monetary policy also. After Reserve Bank, we have public sector banks, banks, um, banks, public sector banks or banks, which in which government of India holds 51% and above shares, whereas private sector banks are banks where the majority shareholding is held by the individuals or a group of individuals. India, we have 12 public sector banks and 22 private sector banks. Apart from these two, we have another concept known as a regional rural banks. That is, as on date, we have 43 RRBs. Government wants to have one state, one RRB. It is likely to be reduced to 28. Apart from this, we have about 12 or 11 small finance banks, and for which, for starting that, minimum capital required is 200 crore. And we have six payment banks, and for starting that, minimum capital required is 100 crores. Apart from this, we have a setup known as cooperative banks, district cooperative bank, state cooperative bank, and all that, urban cooperative banks. We also have another setup known as primary agricultural cooperative societies on the one hand. Apart from this, you also have the concept of multani bankers who lend money. There is private individuals who lend money to people at probably exorbitant rates and all that. So this much is the banking structure in India.